tri-foldable, flippable cell phone. Say that 20 times fast. So we have a concept of a phone here from Infinix Zero, lordy. And it's a tri-foldable flip phone. It's not a flip phone, but it is a flip phone. It's a tri-flippable cell phone. Ever since now Samsung's coming out with their tri-foldable phone, there's going to be Huawei's coming out with another one sometime this year. We're kind of getting into this tri-foldable crazy necessity. I'm all for it. I'm all for pushing the industry forward and coming out with wacky creations and seeing which ones work. Okay, I'm all for this. And that's exactly what we have here. A tri-foldable phone, which again is in the end a very small tri-foldable phone. But it's in the end, it's like a flip phone. It's weird because my mindset is to look at this when it's fully open, it looks like a flip phone. But as you can see, the first and second iteration of this phone isn't a flip phone. It opens up just a tad bit, gets a small display, opens up a little bit more, and then you have a third fold option. So this can open up 1, 2, 3 different ways. You have 2 cameras on the back. There is 2 different hinges total on this device. And I don't know if this would ever hit the market or even come close to coming to the market, but I would be 1000% on board with the idea of it, actually being a real device. This is what it would look like if it was strapped to somebody's like backpack, it looks like, where when it, okay, so hold up. Let me just mentally compound this. So this is the phone. The very top part, you see where the first fold is? That's the actual phone when it's completely folded. So it folds. That first display you see right there, that's the front display. And then where the little fold is, that's the back display. So this phone, when completely folded, is like 3 inches. Width of this phone is like 3 inches. That is insane. Again, I mean, there definitely would be a market, I feel like, for this phone. It would be unique. It'd be cool. I don't know what they would charge for this. I would guess if they charge, it would be new technology. So that's going to increase the price a tad bit. But maybe $500, like once the market starts getting going on this phone. $500 potentially. This is such a weird concept, but I'm all for it. Like, let's go. Let's push the industry forward in this way. We had last year at CES, there was a phone that would wrap around your wrist, and I was fully for that. So let's see. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys in the next one.